P5 and P6 parents, do you know that the PSLE and the end-of-year examinations are right at your doorsteps? But don't worry, Rise of Work has you covered. We have designed a comprehensive September holiday program to help your child prepare for the final examinations. Our program focuses on polishing their strengths and addressing any weaknesses, setting them up for success. Are you curious about how we build our September holiday curriculum? Let's take a closer look. Curriculum director and her team analyze the latest exam trends. They pore over different schools' exam questions and past year's PSLE questions to determine the best holiday program curriculum that will give your child a great head start in the end-of-year exams preparation. The curriculum writers are always burying their heads in the laptops to squeeze all the essential and critical exam information into the holiday notes. This is to ensure that every child will bring home a set of power-packed notes that will serve them all the way to their end-of-year exam revision. Once the notes are complete, it's time to pass the baton to our dedicated teaching and operations team. Want to know how they prepare to ensure that your child excels in the English end-of-year examinations? Follow us for more.